Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. In today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through the process on how you can export your MSword file into JPEG. So let's get today's tutorial started. First thing you have to do is to open up your MSword file, just like what you are seeing on the screen here, right? So you go to File, then you look for Save As. Then you navigate to Browse. Then you select your file destination. I'm saving it to the desktop. Then here you change from Word document to PDF. Then you click on Save. Right, so my document has been saved in PDF file document. So let's see the PDF file document. So as you can see on the screen here, this is the PDF version of the build design in MSword file document, right? So I'm going to minimize this PDF file and minimize my MSword file, or better still, so the next thing we have to do is to go to online and see how we can convert our PDF to JPEG, right? So all you have to do is to head on to the Google and type on a Google address bar, convert PDF to JPEG for free. Then you press enter. So you're going to see a lot of free software or free websites whereby you can convert your PDF to JPEG. So I'm going to use this one right down here. So I'm going to use this, convert PDF to JPEG for free. Right? So I need to scroll down. So PDF document to JPEG. So at this point, this is where you're going to drag the file, right? So choose a PDF file. When you click on choose a PDF file, it's going to open up a dialog box where you can drag the PDF into the site. Oh, sorry, there was an error. So let me refresh, resend. Okay, so I'm going to re-choose it here, PDF to JPEG. Okay, so I have to choose a PDF file here. Don't know what is wrong with the server. Okay, so I can select my PDF. This is what I'm going to convert here. Then I click on open. So we're going to wait for file action. So now we now click on convert PDF to JPEG. So within some minutes, they're going to convert it, and you have to download the JPEG file straight away. Right, so the document has been fully converted. So we can come down here and click on download, or with preview. So I'm going to download straight away. Right, so I'm going to click on OK. So check my download folder here. So you can see the JPEG file is under download. So guys, as you can see on the screen here, I have my JPEG fully download. So let's quickly view it. Beautiful. So this is the JPEG file format in higher resolution. As you can see on the screen here, everything is intact. So there was nothing missing. So if I open the MSword, so this is MSword file. So nothing was actually missing. So everything is still intact, right? So if you like to watch how I design this invoice in my MSword file, I please subscribe to the channel for more interesting video in MSword file and CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So this channel is all about teaching people how you can master your skills in MSword or Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW. So I hope you enjoyed this video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.